Hi. It was picture day today, so I look so bad. I was like, I straightened my hair. And then I went to sleep after I straightened my hair. And I looked in the mirror and I'm like, oh, not all of it is straight. Anyways, today I'm going to be cooking a pizza. And I was like, oh, like in the microwave? No, in the oven. Get crumbs. I cannot do no. First, you take your knife. I should not have a knife, but I do. Just have fun with it, you know? Actually, don't. Kids younger than my age, I'm 11, should have a parent with them. Also, don't hold a knife like this. Only I can. I have to be careful, like, not to, like, stab like you do, because, like, also, with, like, this point, I don't know, it's just, like, super hard, so. That wasn't so bad. Okay. I'm just gonna take this part. Okay. You put it on a thingy. Where do you think you could put this without looking grosser than I do? Hold on. You won't be going in the oven though. Obviously. And should I take a picture? Okay. We're going to need some pizza sauce, some cheese. Do you have bacon bits? No. This is household. Just kidding. I'm a very blessed child. You can tell by the way I look. I'm privileged. I have a pretty like small. Give me like a kitchen tour. Okay. I love my kitchen though. It's like good for me. Trash can. Boyfriend. Oven. Scary. This is like our wash and dryer part. The kitchen, sink, there, and then that's a bathroom. There's a hole in there, but that's, I swear, that's like what the house came with. I don't know this one. Then you're gonna need a spoon to, I'm in my church. FBCK. First Baptist Church, I know that. I don't want the sauce. This one looks better. This one looks like more fresh. That's a word. You're gonna put your sauce on your pizza bun. Put a lot on there too. Because the most important part of pizza, I say, is the sauce. All the kids were like sneaking their phones into class, and I did it one time for 7th period. I was so scared that I ran back to my locker after only like having it for 5 minutes and put it back but acted like I had it. Aesthetic? Nope. I'm filming this on my iPhone. My iPhone 6S. I love my phone. It's new. It's brand new. I had it for a little over, like, I would say, like, 3 or 4 weeks, and I already have, like, 400 photos. I have a lot of videos because I'm an aesthetic queen. Ew. These are my new pants. Oh, actually, no, I've had these for, like, a little bit. Pull them up. They're from 21. They had, like, a good deal on pants, and I'm like, I'm gonna snatch this up. We went to like American Eagle, but like they only had like the ones like the hole above, like below the butt, and my mom goes, "You're not having a pair of jeans with a hole above the butt." And I'm like, okay then. I need a little bit more cheese. This is such an artsy video. It's going on for 4 minutes. What I do for you guys, you know? Oh my god, this was a good David Dobrik vlog. I should just like end it like right here. Oh, it's already on 5 minutes. I love that. I mean, this is like a David Dobrik vlog. It's like so fast and, you know, except it's not going fast. It's actually going pretty slow. I'm going to close her up. Oh, Rap, look what happened. It opened up on this side. Frick. You know what? Boys, I'm single and I can cook. I can't cut the bun, but I have the buns. I'm trying to turn this around with my nose. I did it! Okay, there we go. Then you're wanting to turn the oven on to like 350. Now turn it off because I want to put it in there. I can put it in there without an oven mitt. I'm like so gifted. Will she not touch the thingy? I'm not touching the thingy. Alright, well that's cooking. Let's ask. No. This is from when I made cheese fries. They tasted really good. This is my second pop, and I literally just came home to them. I'll post another video because I just want to watch YouTube on my phone. So, I have to get off of my phone. So, see you guys later, I guess. This video was filmed at so many weird angles. Well, I will see you Satans later. Bye.